Hi guys, so today we're going to be playing the new Adopt Me and Minibeers. So, the Adopt Me and Minibeers, I can't wait. And there was already so much, just in case I'm not. Let's do this, guys. Just wait. Okay guys, I've been very quiet now. I need to go back in there because I've got the magic girl bar now. Yeah. Oh, we're gonna run. They go, friend, they're going. Go, Esmond, go. Yes, okay guys, they're going. Oh god, help. Oh god. Guys, I'm kind of curled. But that's wee. Oh my. Big drop. Wee. Oh god, let's go. Okay, this is kind of hard, guys. Like, bro, we're going to literally. Like, wait, on the reverse. You will have, no, it's not going to get me reverse, so that's good. Ah, I nearly fell off. Jeez, if I fell off, I had to portal to the house. What? I'm gonna get a house. Oh, help. Okay, I'm a bad driver, guys. That's why. Okay, let's go. Ooh. Oh, that's really bad. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Where are all the admins? Oh, they're up there. Jeez. Okay, I love the music. Okay, what's this music? Hey. Oh, I can't click right now. Boost. Oh, okay. Bro, what does he give us then? What does he give us? Oh, Jesus Christ. What does he give us, though? $500 tickets for everyone. Oh, exit. We're going here quick. Because 500 tickets means... In here. Let's go. Where's the thingy? Chicken. I got my ticket for a long way. Bro, I got no tickets. Okay, what the hell? Right. Right, I need to eat it now. I need my tickets, on your tickets. I need my tickets. And my pay is gonna gain lots of party at the beach and okay, guys, I'm sorry about that. If you let's do this, guys. So guys, let's do this. We're gonna cook, guys. They're gonna cook, guys. They're gonna cook, guys. Just in case, I'm already riding. Choose a pin. Okay, right, let's just wait. I want a banana car. I'm not joking. I want the banana car. Not banana car, banana. Ooh, hey, monster truck. Come on, monster truck. Monster trucks are kind of cool. I want a monster truck. I really want such a monster truck. Hey. Untuk bisa one. People are gonna do the rocket's head, but I'm doing that. I'm gonna do it because I want to rocket's head. Because I want to go like very far. Okay, come on. I really want to I want a monster truck. Okay, I'm like, please. Truck. Oh, I got a witch's caravan. Okay, I'm kind of cooking, guys. Wait, this is sick. Wait, what the hell? Let's go. Oh, help, guys, help. Jesus. Oh, they're growing. Okay, I kind of died. Well, not died, but like and kind of I didn't put that. I didn't put that. The monster truck looks so good. Guys, I'm actually so tired. I'm not even... I'll trade anything for that number. I'll fly one, right? I need to add, for this, I'm gonna add, this. And then I might add this. I'm doing values and mine was rarer than his, dummy. How? I got admin view tag. Is there any more admin view tags? I feel like there would be more though. Okay guys, I have to equip this. I'm gonna equip this. I want the sushi penguin or the legendary. Like, so bad. Like, no. I'm ready. I'm ready to... Wait, what the hell? What the hell did they get the bee? Come in. Don't get it. Don't get it from the book because anyone will go. I go MIA. Go. Going, guys. I'm going. I'm going. Okay, I'm just gonna use my phone. I like this more bit. Come on, let's go. Need to cook. Move, please. Move, please. Excuse me, uplift Brad. Ah! Ah! I'm gonna die, guys. It's just gonna kill me, guys. Okay, let's go, guys. We're cooking. We're gonna cook. Haha, beat up. Uplift penguin. Have they already at the end? I've got the worst car here. Well, not the worst car, but no. This is very hard, guys. Whee! Plane time? What the hell? Yes, I got some Spain. Boxes. What's 2 boxes? Come on. Where the hell is my 2 boxes? This is how much I get the weapon. Wait, what's this? Wait, what the hell is that? What did that? How did I just get? I want to see the values of everything. Hey, okay, that's cute stuff. Wait, hats. What's this? Okay. Oh, I got chicken. Randomly. It's crazy. Oh, money. Lots of money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. Oh, I got chicken from my admin box. Right, I don't want it. What's rallies? I don't know. Right. Tackling fun, your girls with undeniable. Phoenix. Dangerous there. Oh God, guys, I'm so tired. Okay, guys, I'm kind of cooking. I'm cooking. Guys, I've never been in a Adopt Me admin for some reason. But yeah, it's just crazy. I need to start my engine then. I'm just gonna use this, I don't care if I No, I don't wanna leave, guys, please let me leave. Oh my God, I just missed out on the best part. Wait, what the hell does my egg need? Nothing right now, that's good then. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Guys, I'm actually so tired. So, yeah. I'm actually gonna die. What do I really want? I really want it. Oh, gingerbread mouse. So I'll add this green ultra rare. Wait, it's just ain't no way. No, mine is rare. Yeah. Oh my God, wait. Oh my God, jeez. Oh my God, there's so much admin abuse eggs. Jeez. Two admin abuse eggs. Right, oh my God. Guys, this is gonna take forever to unlock all my eggs. I'm not even gonna. Third admin abuse egg. 1, 2. That's the third admin abuse egg. Hey. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh no. That was very intense. We've got millions of cars now. Guys, I need to be in every admin abuse now because, like, bro, I'm getting so rare stuff. Like, bro, in no time, I'm going to be the richest person out of my brains, bro. I sugar on my tongue. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm going. I'm glowing. People, I'm going. Okay, right. Right, I don't care. I'm going to use the electric sled now. Guys, what the hell's happening? I just ran all the way, I guess. Actually, now I'm going to go back. Whee! Whee! Right. Big profile, guys. If any of you join my server, this is my phone. I'll comment and I'll do anything for these. Literally. Oh yeah, let's go to the party then. Yes, queen. Oh, what did I get? What did I get? I got the zebra. Wait, how is the zebra? Wait, what the hell? What the hell is this? Rare. It's rare. Rares are first. Okay, at least I didn't get uncommon. Okay, zebra. Clock it, buddy. Now we just need this. Bro, I need a legendary. I made a mystery box the other day, guys, and I left my dumplings in it because I was like, yeah. So, yeah. But this one feels weird, bro. Okay, what the hell? Sticky. Ooh, is any stuff raining out sky now? Admin V6 for everyone. Give me one. Hello. Okay. Damn, I'm getting so much stuff. Mate, I think everyone's getting too much admin V6 now. Bro. Look at my inventory. I've got millions of admin V6. Guys, look how much. My inventory is basically admin V6. I'm not even joking. I'm just gonna favorite myself. Actually, no, I'm not gonna favorite the ants because they're actually not my favorite. Mom, can you send me $4? Mom, can you send me like $18? I need to charge up my iPad, so I'm going to charge up my iPad quick, guys. I can't wait for holiday. Wait, what the hell just happened? Okay, gee, that scared the life out of me. But now I'm not that scared. Doggy design. My phone, I'm guessing. I can't buy that. I can keep it on my phone. Fun! What the hell is fun? We don't, wait, the end isn't him, so. Oh good. How did I just get? Okay, ugly camel, that's fine. Right, what thing did he make? Right. Nah, I thought he did the middle. I can't lie, but I thought he did the middle. That means he done the end. Pretend it's my iPad. Hey, I got admin cheese. What's that admin cheese? Okay, what cheese? Okay, 12%. That's good then. Baby. Is anything gonna happen to me or something? Right now, my inventory is a bit stinky right now. Oh my god! Yay! I got that admin egg. Even though I got like 5 million. Slay! Very slay. Hopefully none of you are totally my parents before I was lactose intolerant because I used to have milk before bed, but I keep on having it. I'm not even dying. Okay, guys. That's for the thing. Okay, right. Slay. Donut has got his outfit on. Sea Turtle, you need an outfit on, yes. Sea Turtle, you blind baboon. Yeah, my Sea Turtle is a bit blind, guys. Oh, okay, that's Slay, I get. Yeah, that's Slay. Okay. Oh, that's Slay too. No, he doesn't need a bag. Hey, where we going? No! I think you teleported us out. Okay, better have on mine. No! Okay, now where how are they? Okay, where the hell are those crazy PayPal? Leaves in 5 days. So yeah, the store's leaving in 5 days. Does today? Wait, what? I still need to find the last egg quick. That's another fork quick. Okay, I'm just gonna quit. Tuxedo Cat. Tuxedo Cat. Meow. Okay, what the hell is that? It's kind of weird. Like, you know. Okay, what the hell was that? Don't get comfortable, cause I'm gonna go. I go, I'm a go, go. I go, I'm push it all rise. No, I wouldn't put this on a bed. No, I wouldn't put this on a bed. Don't get comfortable, cause I'm gonna go. I go, I'm a go. Is this the end of admin news? scammer, see, liar, pencil fire. Do you think I could make a new admin reset? Wait, someone is under here, so I'm gonna see if I actually can though. Just imagine I can't. If I can, that'd be crazy. Yo, what can I make into an admin view? Oh my god, Jesus Christ! Christ. No, you won't believe shall Don't get comfortable because I'm gonna go. I need more donkeys. Don't get out my swamp. No, I need more donkeys. Wait, we're not getting you on donkey now. I need more pets. So that's why cute trading cute greenhouse. Maybe. Nah, I'm not psych. I was going to psych. Oh, I love the fan. Hallelujah. 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 Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I swear, if it's the end of it, probably is the end of admin, isn't it? I swear if it. I keep on going in, but I don't want to. So I'm getting to the car. I hit far. I'm dodging the far. Mama, what? I don't want to go to school. Like, I'm gonna blink that real. Why? I can't even read books. I don't want to go last time. I'm gonna reset so then I can go home. Just fly with you. Hi guys, I'm gonna squish my green duckling. Just to fly with you, all with you. So just give me all of you. It's impossible, say it's impossible. Just in case, gonna say. Oh, okay, wrong side now. Now I don't wanna quit. I'm gonna equip Tuxedo Kid. I'm getting into the car. I hit far. I'm dodging, far. Okay, guys, I need more stars. Guys, I really want that golden egg with a ginger cat. From the land, yeah, the sea, yeah, no, my longest streak is how much days I have right now. I feel from the land. Just imagine I get to day 50. That would be crazy. Oh, jeez, I'm so tired. The hell does plane up in the sky fly? All I want is to fly.